Hey everyone, this is Trendboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Wooded Railway 2022 Henry. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Let's see 2022 Henry looks like. Here's what 2022 Henry looks like. And I'm going to unbox Wooded Railway 2022 Henry off camera. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed 2022 Wooded Railway Henry. Let's take a look at 2022 Wooded Railway Henry. Here's the front, side, the top, the other side, the bottom. Let's take a look at his tender. So here's the front, side, the top, the bottom, the other side, and the back. Let's see Henry once more on the Wooded Railway track. Well, what do you know? 2022 Wooded Railway Henry once well. Well, that is a great one with Wooded Railway 2022 Henry. Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press the right button to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.